Agriculture. India is a global hub of agriculture producing many types of crops and veggies. There are many types of agricultural practices and one of them is pest control. Let's see what is it. Pests are insects, fungicides, or herbicides which damage the crops and reduce quality. The triangle shows the different ways of pest control. As we go up they become more harmful. Chemical pesticides are heavily used in India. Do pesticides harmful for humans? Yes. What are harmful effects of pesticides? Pesticides can cause short-term and long-term effects on health due to months and years of exposure. For example, stinging eyes, rashes, nausea, diarrhea, and can cause death due to cancer. There are so many reports of skin and lung cancer due to long-time exposure to pesticides. There are protective measures to be taken to avoid exposure to the pesticides, like wearing goggles, hand gloves, shoes, and masks. Okay, but do sprayers follow these protective clothing rules? No, but why? Because this equipment are costly, there is no awareness about the danger and non-availability in rural market. In 2014 6,000 people and in 2015 7,000 people died because of exposure to pesticides. To solve this problem we should use some technology which can reduce this exposure to these harmful chemicals, that is drone for spraying pesticides. Agro drone is a quadcopter using flight controller, on which pesticide tank is mounted for spraying pesticides. Here is a 3D model of Agro drone with 12-volt battery and 500 ml tank. These are some important parts of assembly: spraying nozzle with tank of 500 ml, a support, a cross-type wooden frame of 450 mm length, and a propeller. Let's see some mounting details. 1000 kV motors are mounted at each corner of the quadcopter. Tank is mounted over the quadcopter with nozzle. GPS module is mounted over quadcopter which is connected to flight controller, and here is battery and other circuitry are mounted below the frame. Quadcopter weight is 1.2 kg and thrust generated by quadcopter is 2.4 kg. This is the actual model we made. Here we can see the mounting of flight controller over the quadcopter. We used NASA flight controller and the receiver. This is a diagram showing how the signal sent from remote controller to the motors. Electronic speed controllers are used to vary the speed of motors according to need. Okay, now let's see the basic principle of working for quadcopter. There are 4 motions of quadcopters: forward, backward, turning right and left. Here are 4 motors: A, B, C and D. A and C are rotating clockwise, while B and D rotate anti-clockwise. For forward motion, speed of A and B reduced. For backward motion, speed of C and D motors reduced. For turning right clockwise rotating motors, A and C speed increased, and for turning left, anti-clockwise rotating motors, B and D speed increased. Let's see the working. On left-hand side there is a video of working model. And on right the simulation. Left and right throttle of remote controller work toward each other for liftoff. The drone is stable because of using flight controller with GPS module. For switching spray, special function keys on top right corner of remote controller are used. So, drone flight time is 18 minutes. Maximum height reached is 75 meter. And drone can cover up to 180 meter square of area in one flight time. But to fly this quadcopter one should have expertise in quadcopter flying. Is there any solution for this? Yes. Solution is mission planning with Google Map. Here we are using mission planning software to plan a path of drone. Let's understand this with an yellow line represents the area to be covered by drone, while the red line shows the path to be followed by drone. The drone follows the exact path by using GPS module data with software. Some key features are: no need to be expert in drone flying, uses pesticides efficiently and can be monitored from the long distance, so there is complete automation can be possible. So, this drone is useful in saving life of farmers. It is environment friendly as in conventional methods petrol pumps are used which lead to air pollution. Complete process can be atomized. Spraying by drone is more economical than conventional methods. This drones can be used for other purposes like dropping seed balls, locust killing, water scarcity detection, and can be more effectively used with automatic solar charging station. This is all about agro pesticide spraying drone. Let's put a step towards smart and safe farming. Thank you for watching.